Hi guys, it's Beth, and today I just wanted to follow up with you and let you know how I ended up finishing off the little bundles that I was making for the Humane Society auction. I had showed you guys the cards last week or so and just wanted to kind of show you how I finished them off and how I packaged them. So here is the set, the dog set of the Christmas cards that I made. And if you missed the video where I shared these, I made these using the Christmas Pets, I believe was the name of the pad. It was a 6x6 pad from Recollections, so cute. I will link that video down in the description box below. But I just packaged the cards in like a little clear cello bag. And then in my silhouette, I created a bag topper here. It just says Yappy Christmas card set of 14. And then add a little paw print that kind of matched the red color. And then I just used the same format for the tag set, just changed the wording a little bit just so that was kind of consistent since that was all the same paper. And then I did a post-it note holder. This is just a 3x5 3M post-it note pad. And I have done post-it note pads, like a tutorial on pads this size, so I will also include that video in the description box. But they're super easy and super fun. So to decorate it up, I just found an image in my silhouette, the little phrase that says, "My dog thinks I'm awesome." Printed that out and then layered it on some cardstock circles. And then I do have Velcro, it's hard to see, but I do have Velcro kind of keeping my pad closed here. Then for the topper on the ease, I just used a little scrap of the matching paper from the Post-it pad and then typed up Post-it notes in my silhouette and printed it out. So there's a little Post-it pad, and then I made a little decorative block that says "Life is good with a dog." And then lastly, I have a little envelope here. It's considered like gift card size or ephemera, little pocket envelope. It's a file in my silhouette as well, so I just found some other dog kind of related pattern paper in my stash and cut one of those out. And then inside there is a gift certificate that they can use to shop in our Etsy store. So that's the dog basket. The cat basket, very similar, just, you know, different papers, a little bit different wording. But for the cards, I labeled these Meowie Christmas card set. And then here's the little tag. Here is the cat version of the Post-it notes. This is another image from my silhouette that says "I'm so perfect." And then the block for the cat one just says "All you need is love and a cat." And then here is the little gift certificate envelope for the cat. So pretty simple, but so fun to make. And then I struggled with how I wanted to like actually bundle them together. And I was putting something away under my printer and happened to find these little crates were stacked underneath there under that table with like some other stuff that I like had thrifted just to hold on to in case I ever wanted to decorate with it. I liked it, but couldn't necessarily use it at the time. And so I thought, I think those are the perfect size. So I am going to try and use these. This one I know I will have to like line it with some tissue paper or some kind of wrap because there's slats on the side and slats on the bottom. I don't want that stuff to fall through. This one's okay. I may just put some shreds in it. But I'm trying to figure out how I want to ship these. If I have a box that will hold them in like as their bundle, then I can kind of wrap them and contain them that way. Otherwise, I may end up having to take them out of the crates and kind of lay them all flat in the box, depending on the box that I have. So that's kind of where I stand on that. But I really just wanted to show you what I ended up adding to the Christmas cards and tags. And like I said, this was so much fun. I loved playing with all of my cat and dog themed paper. It really made me want to make a mini scrapbook with the papers I found in my stash, but I had to tell myself to focus and get this finished, and hopefully once I get my All Seasons 3 pad finished, I can kind of focus on another fun project like that. But that's it for today. Hopefully I will be back towards the end of this week with a card share from my All Seasons 3 pad. But if you have any questions on anything, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for your time today, guys, and have a crafty day.